Okay guys, so now we are going to form a quadratic equation given the nature of the roots. So first, we need to know what types of discriminants there are and their respective nature of roots. If the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac greater than 0, it can be described as it can have two distinct real rational roots. However, it can also be in non-perfect square form. And then it's going to be two distinct real irrational roots. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, it will be one real double root. Whereas if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, this can be described as having two distinct complex conjugates. Okay, so our first problem is x squared minus 12x plus 36 equals 0. Remember that the formula for discriminants is b squared minus 4ac. We just need to find a, b, and c. A, b, and c is 1, negative 12, and 36 respectively. So now we use the formula. Negative 12 squared minus 4 times 1 times 36. 144 minus 144 equals 0. 0 equals 0. The discriminant is, the nature of the roots is, it is a one real root double root equation. Now for the second problem. What is the nature of the root of the quadratic equation x squared minus 2x minus 7? Now we will use the same formula. Remember, b squared minus 4ac. A, b, and c. So a is going to be 1, b is going to be negative 2, and c is going to be negative 7. So it's going to be negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 7. 4 plus 28 equals 0. 32 equals 0. It is a irrational, two real irrational root. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have a nice day.